This is one trick I'm going to share with you guys. So if you are wearing something like what I'm wearing and you need to go out, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to properly use a sunscreen. I know it is advised that you always use a sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. The truth is that most of us do not know how to apply a sunscreen properly. So we end up getting sunburned when we go out in the sun, even after using the sunscreen. So today I'm going to share with you guys tips and tricks on how to use a sunscreen properly. So first of all, we need to understand what a sunscreen is. What a sunscreen simply does is that it helps to block UV rays or absorb UV rays, thereby protecting your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. One very important thing is that when purchasing a sunscreen, you have to check the list of ingredients in the sunscreen. And while checking the list of ingredients, there are two major ingredients you should look out for in a sunscreen, and these two ingredients are zinc oxide and or titanium dioxide. So your sunscreen must have either of these two ingredients or both of those two ingredients as its active ingredient, which means that when checking your ingredient list, these ingredients should be at least among the first 5 ingredients. This ingredient helps to block or prevent the UV rays from getting to the skin and causing damage to the skin. So now that we know what a sunscreen is and what to take into consideration when buying or purchasing a sunscreen, now let's proceed to how to properly apply a sunscreen. So the sunscreen I'll be using to experiment today is the Dove Sunblock SPF 90+. This is Dove Sunblock SPF 90+. And so I'm going to be sharing with you guys a trick on how to use a sunscreen to prevent you getting sunburned. So after you're out of the shower, you apply your moisturizer. Then this is one trick I'm going to share with you guys. You know, there are areas on your body that is very prone to sunburn. Areas like this, very prone to very prone to sunburn. So when you're done having your bath and you've applied your moisturizer, you take the sunscreen, you apply it on your hand like this. I'm actually wearing makeup right now, so I don't want to ruin my makeup because I'm going out. So so you just take the sunscreen and you take a sunscreen and you dab on your face. So if you are wearing something like what I'm wearing and you need to go out, you will actually just take and dab, although I do not advise that you wear something like this when you are going out and when you're in the sun, because there is an extent to which a sunscreen can protect you. So when you're going out, always try to wear clothes that are covering you, and the parts that are exposed to sun, always apply a sunscreen, like your hands, your neck. So back to the trick I was about to share with you guys. You already know the areas that are prone to sunburn. After dabbing it into your skin, then you take another amount and apply liberally on the parts that you know that are prone to sunburn. You apply here. Do not apply your sunscreen around your eyes. Always just apply your sunscreen below the eyes and the areas that you know that are prone to sunburn. Don't forget your ears and your neck. You need to apply a sunscreen on every part of your body that is exposed to the sun. Cultivate the habit of always putting a sunscreen in your bag, because this sunscreen cannot take you the whole day. So you have to reapply your sunscreen every 60 to 90 minutes. And the fact that you have applied a sunscreen does not mean you should go and bathe in the sun. Please, there is a limit to which a sunscreen can protect you. So you have to go the extra mile. Apply a sunscreen, wear a protective clothing. Try to wear clothes that are less revealing. Even though the sun is hot and you have to go out, you have to just wear your dark shade. That is after applying your sunscreen. Wear your dark shade. So this your dark shade will protect your eye area. Then you have your forehead, Abby. You now wear a face cap. this my hair will not allow me to shine, but anyway, you know what I'm talking about. Do you understand? You know, at least 90% of your face is, you know, protected from the sun. You should use your sunscreen every day. Doesn't matter if you're in the car, if you're in an office, because UV rays have the ability to penetrate the window of your car, the window of your office, and even the window of your homes. So please, always use your sunscreen every day, and trust me, you see a tremendous improvement in your skin. If you're someone who is dealing with dark spots, you're trying to get rid of dark spots, uneven skin tone, dull skin, things like that, and you're not using the sunscreen, your product will most likely not work, because the sun is going to reverse the effects of those products, and your dark spots will keep on getting darker, and your uneven skin tone will not improve, and your dull skin will also not improve, will not get brighter, because you are not protecting yourself from something that's reversing the effects of your skincare product. So try to use your sunscreen every day. Cultivate the habit of putting your sunscreen in your bag, and also reapply your sunscreen every 60 to 90 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful to someone out there, and if you did find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.